In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk account. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you've never used Zendesk before, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll have your own account set up and ready to explore. First, open your web browser and go to the official Zendesk website. On the home page, look for the area near the top where you can start a free trial. You should see a field where Zendesk asks for your work email address, right next to or just above a button that says Start Your Free Trial. Type in your work email carefully, making sure there are no typos, because Zendesk may use this email to send important information and verification links. Once you've entered your email, click the Start Your Free Trial button to move on. After you click, the page will reload and a pop-up window or form will appear, guiding you through a short setup process. The first thing Zendesk will ask for is your first name and last name. Enter your name as you'd like it to appear in your Zendesk account, then click Next to continue. In the next step, you'll be asked for your phone number. Choose the correct country code if needed, then type in your phone number. This can be useful for account security or support purposes. When you're done, click Next again. You'll then be prompted to enter the name of the company you work for. This is how Zendesk will identify your account and workspace. Type in your company's name and click Next. After that, you'll be asked for your job title. Enter the role that best describes what you do, such as customer support agent, manager, or administrator, and then click Next to proceed. Zendesk will now ask you to select how many employees your company has. Choose the option that most accurately reflects your organization's size. This helps Zendesk tailor the experience to your needs. Once selected, click Next once more. Finally, you'll be asked to create a password for your new Zendesk account. Choose a strong, unique password that you can remember, ideally combining letters, numbers, and symbols. When you're happy with your password, click the Create Your Zendesk Account button. That's it. You've successfully created your Zendesk account and you're ready to start exploring the platform.